Hi guys, we're doing steaks today, and by the way, a great steak does not have to cost a fortune, so shop around and save your money.
Barbecuing. The most important thing is a very, very hot grill. So especially when you do awesome steaks like this, you want to lock the heat. So you want to sear the meat so it doesn't lose all the juices. And if you run into issue like having the flames under, just remember, flames will burn, heat cooks. So you don't want flames under your meat. And for that, you can just have a water spray, or you can just use a little bit of water like this. And a good steak usually takes, be like me. And in regards to when the steak might be done, you just want to touch the middle part. And you definitely want to have some softness going on. Not too much, but some softness, because if the meat gets too hard in the middle, that means the steak is overcooked. Okay, I'm taking these babies off. Keep in mind the steak will continue to cook once it's off the grill. So although we're taking it off, the steak will continue to cook for probably another 5 to 7 minutes. Thank you all for watching, and if you have a chance, check out my Instagram page under Vlada's Seeds of Life, or visit us at Vlada Vladic /Cooking and Kids on Facebook. See you soon.